Hello everyone, and welcome to the review of the Promate Scud-C30 car charger. And this is a special charger because it can output up to 30 watts of power, and it comes with a QC port and also a PD port and a normal fast port, which means that it can output up to 2.4 amps. And we'll take it out of the box and test it. And in the box we get the biggest manual I have ever seen, and that's all the instructions. And you can pause that if you want to read it. It just tells you to plug this in and connect your USB cable and use it. That's all that you get on this very funny manual. And that's the charger itself. Compact, nicely built. Some specifications here also, those that are also on the box, and the 3 ports here, the quick charge port and PD port and the 2.4 amp port. So let's put this to the test. It has a blue LED here, it shows that it's working. And now I'm going to connect the USB cable to the fast port here, the QC port or quick charge port, and I'm going to use this small tester here to check the voltage and current. And let's see, does it power on? Yes, it powers on, so it outputs 5 volts. This is the amps used by this device. And now I'm going to connect the load to the charger. I'm going to use this power bank, and it's charging, and it's showing that it's using PD power delivery 3.0, so it's fast charging. And let's see what you get here. So the voltage jumped to almost 9 volts and it outputs almost 2 amps, so it's fast charging and it's doing it right. And now let's try with the mobile phone. So I'm going to connect the tester. Let's see what happens. So it's of course charging, but now it's quick charging. And let's check out this display. So the voltage is going over 5 volts, so sometimes it's 6 volts. It's varying because this is at 85%, and this phone from 85% it will not fast charge because the battery is rather full, so it will lower the voltage and the amps to protect the battery and not overheat. If I switch to the normal 2.4 amps port, which is regular fast charging, now I can check here, and the phone is normally charging, not quick charging. And I can check here, the voltage will not jump over 5 volts and it has less current. Yet again, the current is not 2.4 amps or over 2 amps because the battery is almost full, so it's limiting the charge speed here. But that's nothing special because almost every kind of USB charger will charge your phone faster or slower, doesn't matter. But I'm going to test something else. So I'm going to use a PD cable, which is a USB Type-C on both ends, like this. And I'm going to plug it to the PD port, power delivery port. I'm going to put the tester on. The tester has a setting here for being compatible with PD mode, which is actually off, but that means on this tester anyway. And I'm going to use my laptop here, and the test will be to see if this thing will power on from the USB, as it has a USB charging port. And look at that, the laptop is now charging successfully with this. And I can check here, and it says that it's using 2.8 amps at almost 4.6 volts, and this is slowly charging, but it's charging on this USB port, and that's great because now I can charge my notebook on the go. And the best, it's not only that, now that the notebook is charging over there, if I connect my mobile phone to the charger on the other port, remaining port, the quick charge port, now I can also quick charge my mobile phone while I charge the notebook, which is pretty amazing yet again for such a small device like this one. So very compact, very powerful, and very useful. Also very cheap for the quality that it provides for such a low price. Also, I like the contacts here because they are very hard and make very good contact with your socket there, because I had some chargers that had very flimsy side contactors here, and they were moving in the socket and not making good contact and overheating, because that's lost power there in poor contact. It's not the case with this one, so highly recommend it. So there you go, the Promate here, very good one, so I highly recommend it. Until my next video, see you and bye bye.